लुंगी डांस
ये वेदर के लिए सही है।
मैम मैम एक बार यहाँ पे हाँ यहाँ पे बस
तो ये पीछे देख लो, ढकेल लो यार।
लेफ्ट टू राइट। हाँ दुर्गे सर आ रहे हाथ हटाओ ना यार, हाथ को रहने दो। क्या छूट
का कमाना जो फीमेल लेड है with just a South Indian release, I think it is an achievement for us. It really makes us proud and makes us want to share this film with all of you. मैं आपको सबके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा बताना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक्सपीरियंस इतना खूबसूरत रहा है कि अगर मैं आपको इनके बारे में कुछ बताऊँ नहीं तो इट विल बी इनजस्टिस। सुंदर सी सर के साथ मैंने इसके पहले एक फिल्म में काम किया है। मेरे हिसाब से हमारे देश के टॉप 3 डायरेक्टर्स में से है जिनको फ्रॉम टेक्नोलॉजी टू इमोशन टू कमर्शियल फिल्म की सेंस है एंड ये उन्होंने बार बार साउथ में प्रूव किया है और मैं बहुत खुशनसीब मानती हूँ अपने आप को कि उनके साथ काम करने का मुझे अपने करियर के अर्ली टाइम में शुरुआत में मुझे मौका मिला। ये फिल्म और उनके बारे में जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है कि हम फीमेल एम्पावरमेंट के बारे में बात करते हैं, हम बोलते हैं वी नीड टू मेक मोर फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स, बट मैंने इनको देखा है कि ये घर पे the kind of upliftment he's had with his girls. He has 2 wonderful girls. He has Khushbu ma'am. They are the perfect family that anyone aspires to have. And ये उनके सिर्फ फैमिली तक सीमित नहीं है, ये ऐसी स्टोरीज बताते हैं जो वो रिलेशनशिप्स को स्क्रीन पे दर्शाती है और आप कहीं ना कहीं अपनी स्टोरीज इन स्टोरीज में देख पाते हैं। एंड आई फील लाइक ही इज ट्रूली ये प्रतीक है एक्चुअली हाउ टू एम्पावर वुमेन, उसका एक्चुअल प्रतीक है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ घर पे ऐसे नहीं है लेकिन ये बाहर भी उसे बहुत ही प्राउडली एग्जिबिट करते हैं और अपनी फिल्मों में दर्शाते हैं। ये क्लियरली अरनमने का 4th पार्ट है और 4th पार्ट होने के नाते ये फिल्म ऑफ कोर्स पहले भी बहुत चली है, ये फ्रेंचाइज बहुत चली है इसीलिए चौथा पार्ट बना पाए हैं ये। सो आई रियली फील वेरी प्राउड कि मैं एक ऐसे फिल्म मेकर के साथ काम कर रही हूँ जिन्होंने हमारा काम इतना आसान कर दिया, क्योंकि इन्होंने मुझे जो कैरेक्टर दिया है मुझे ऑनेस्टली नहीं लगा था मैं प्ले कर पाऊंगी क्योंकि मैं अपने घर में अभी भी बच्ची हूँ। I think I still no maternal instincts have kicked in, so I am treated like the baby in the house. And जब उन्होंने मुझे ये स्टोरी सुनाई और बताया कि you are playing a mother who's a protector and who is एक औरत का हर रूप दर्शाने का मौका दिया है इन्होंने इस फिल्म में, और ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल है क्योंकि मेरे पास I felt it's too pure an emotion, मैं इसे कहीं और से नहीं ले सकती, तो I had to take this inspiration from my own mother. And मैं घर पे बहुत ज़्यादा पैम्पर्ड हूँ, मुझे बहुत प्यार मिला है, अभी भी मिलता है, अभी भी मतलब इस उम्र में भी मुझे बच्चे जैसा ही ट्रीट किया जाता है। तो उस फीलिंग को लेके एक माँ कितना अपने बच्चे को कंफर्ट कर सकती है, कितनी भी मुश्किल स्थिति में क्यों ना हो, और अगर वक्त आए जब उसे अपने बच्चों को प्रोटेक्ट करना पड़े तो वो किसी भी हद तक जा सकती है। ये इस फिल्म का एक्चुअली सोल है और ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी मुझ पे डालने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सुंदर सी सर, बिकॉज अगर आपने मुझे इस रोल के लिए कंसिडर नहीं किया होता तो शायद ये फिल्म कोई और एक्ट्रेस कर रही होती, और ये फिल्म जो भी एक्ट्रेस करती वो उसके लिए इट वुड बी अ फेदर इन हर कैप। सो आई फील वेरी लकी कि अरनमने 4 का ये किरदार जो जिसका नाम है सेल्वी, तमिल वर्जन में तो सेल्वी है, वो मुझे करने मिला. एंड खुशबू मैम, she is the wind beneath Sundar C sir's wings. She's such a rock solid lady, and I feel so good that I'm working with all these very rock solid people. For me, Rashi is one person who I actually find a lot of love and warmth whenever I meet her, and we've worked together before in a Telugu film. लेकिन I don't know, somehow एक प्रोफेशनल जैसा रिश्ता ही नहीं है. मैं बहुत पसंद करती हूँ राशि को, क्योंकि वो बहुत ही एक सिक्योर एक्ट्रेस हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्ट्रेस हैं. इस तरह का ठहराव शायद हमारे देश में कुछ एक्ट्रेसेस दे पाती हैं. मैंने देखा है फिल्मों में, स्पेशली जब कमर्शियल फिल्म्स होती हैं, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ, हम एटलीस्ट साउथ इंडियन फिल्म में आई हैव नोटिस्ड बीइंग प्लेइंग बबली कैरेक्टर्स, बट आई हैव सीन राशि ऑलवेज ब्रिंग सो मच subtlety, so much softness, so much realism to her characters. I'm a big fan of Rashi, but I'm a bigger fan of how amazing a person she is and how beautifully she, she is outside. So yeah, I'm so happy, Rashi, we could do this together. It's a very special film for the both of us, and yeah, this entire journey for me has been extremely rewarding, because अगर ये फिल्म आज साउथ में इसने अगर 100 करोड़ किया है, इट्स अ ह्यूज वैलिडेशन फॉर एक्टर्स, फीमेल एक्टर्स, कि अगली बार होपफुली फिल्म मेकर्स फीमेल लेड फिल्म्स पे ज़्यादा पैसा खर्चा करेंगे, अलग किस्म के स्टोरीज लेके आएंगे, अलग किस्म के किरदार लेके आएंगे. सो इट्स वेरी वैलिडेटिंग, और बहुत खुशी महसूस हो रही है कि ये फिल्म को प्यार मिल रहा है. और अब ये प्यार हम आपसे भी चाहते हैं, इसीलिए हम इस फिल्म को हिंदी में रिलीज कर रहे हैं, ताकि जो पूरा देश है इस फिल्म को सेलिब्रेट कर सके, जैसे साउथ इंडिया ऑलरेडी सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. और मैं लोखंडवाला की रहने वाली हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पर आके अपनी तमिल फिल्म सबके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ, जो हिंदी में रिलीज होने वाली है. अरनमणि 4 is in theaters from the 31st of which month are we in? Yes, that's how much I remember which month we are in. 31st of May. Guys, please watch this film. It's super emotional. It is a horror comedy, and I think horror comedy that is filled with entertainment. Excited. और अगर आपने अभी मस्ती वाले सवाल नहीं पूछे तो मेरी आवाज कुछ ऐसी हो जाएगी, बिकॉज मैंने सच्ची में बहुत बिल्डअप किया है. तो प्लीज आपको कुछ पूछना है, जो मीडिया है यहाँ पर, जो होपफुली आज फिल्म देखने वाली है, आप आई होप आप फिल्म देखने वाले हैं, आज कल देखने वाले हैं, ठीक है. प्लीज अगर कुछ पूछना हो तो प्लीज पूछिए. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. जी.
So we're going to take it. I'll announce the open
एक बार
forum.
सुंदर सी सर बात कर ले. सर जस्ट 2 minutes, सुंदर सी सर बात कर ले एक बार.
Before he speaks, I would like to say that whatever Tamanna has spoken, तो जितना उन्होंने हिंदी में बोला है वो सब एक सिक्सर बाउंसर की तरह गया होगा IPL में, लेकिन otherwise he's fine. मतलब in 30 years of a married life or together what we have been in 30 years, there was an understanding कि मैं उन्हें हिंदी सिखाऊंगी, वो मुझे तमिल सिखाएंगे. उन्होंने मुझे तमिल प्रॉपर्ली सिखा दी, लेकिन मैंने उनको हिंदी नहीं सिखाई. कोशिश की, लेकिन it was terrible. So then I gave up. So he is fine. He can still understand a bit, but most of it what you spoke, I'm sure it is gone. No.
उनको मेरा जो भाव है उनको वो महसूस,
इमोशन समझ गए,
वो समझ गए, बिकॉज इतना प्यार था उसमें.
Good afternoon, everybody. Normally I'm very nervous when I'm on stage or holding a mic, and I'm more nervous now because this is the first time I'm being in front of Mumbai media, press, everybody. And excuse me if I make any mistake in my language. Very nice to see you in my Arunai 4 function, because Arunai 1 was a big hit in South and it was dubbed in Hindi as Raj Mahal, as you know. That movie did so well in OTT and satellite channels. After that, all the South Indian movies which have RR or comedy, they are dubbed in Hindi as RR, Raj Mahal 2, 3, 4. Now the line is going on. So I have to wait for Raj Mahal franchise number to get At last I'm getting my own title for the Hindi dubbed version. So happy. Actually, I was discussing with Tamanna. The main reason for the Armney 4 success, one of the main reasons for the Armney 4 success was when I was doing that movie. The movie was really, when the movie was ready for the release. Normally in the South, they'll have the press show only after the release because they are scared whether the movie will carry good report or not. So always they will have the press meet after the release of the movie. And I had only one marketing strategy for my movie, that's Armney 4. I had the press show before the release of the movie. And the only one condition I put forward for my press and media friends down south was they have to come with the family to the theatre for the press show. Because I arranged a big theatre with more than 1,200 capacity, and all the press and media friends come to the theatre with the total family. So when they saw the family laughing and enjoying the movie, automatically I got a very good reviews for the movie. And even before the release of the movie, my movie was declared a super hit success. So that's the power of media and press. So I hope you will also support the movie tomorrow and help it in making it a big success. And to talk about Armney 4, all the 3 movies before I did in the Armney franchise were all super duper hits actually in the South. Even though the movies are super hit, I didn't do it the next franchise immediately. For the fourth franchise, I took nearly 12 years to make it the 4th movie. Because I don't want to capitalize on the success or to make the money, okay, immediately we'll take the Armney, one more Armney, we'll earn money like that. I never went like for that. I always waited for a nice script, nice idea to come. So then only I touched the Armney franchise because the expectation for Armney in the South was huge. So when I got an idea for this Armney, it will be a little, quite a longer story, please excuse me. Once I was going through some history books, I find it one funny thing. Lot of kings who ruled India, someone like Ashoka, Akbar or Aurangzeb, who ruled most part of the Indias, their borders in the north, in the south and the west, it differs. Somebody went till Afghanistan, someone went till Pakistan, like that. Even in the south, they came till Hyderabad, someone came till Madurai, like that. But in the eastern side, like a line, nobody crossed Brahmaputra, most of them, as per my knowledge, nobody crossed Brahmaputra. I was curious to find the reason, and historically there were a few reasons for that. There was a big dynasty, there were brave warriors, and a lot of that guerrilla warfare was there. So these kings were unable to cross Brahmaputra. These are all historically. And geographically they said another reason, after Brahmaputra there is a lot of forest, hills and a lot of rain. So the kings were unable to cross the border. And I felt there was, because they who were able to cross even the Himalaya borders, they won't find it difficult to cross the Brahmaputra. And also they won so many kings, warriors everywhere, all over India. I don't think it will be difficult for them to cross over the Brahmaputra and conquer them also. And when I was looking through it, there was another 4th reason for that, which was believed by some of the few segments of people there. That was the reason for the king not crossing the Brahmaputra river, it was out of fear of ghost. Because at that time, the land was called as land of possessed by some of the people over Brahmaputra. So the kings were scared to cross Brahmaputra because of the ghost fear. That was believed by some few people or segment of the people. And till today, there was lot of folklores going up on the, telling about the stories of the ghosts there. There are a lot of characters. And one of the interesting folklore was about Bach. I was very curious to read when I read about that Bach. The Bach, they say, they say it's something paranormal thing, lives near the river side, which will eat somebody who comes to the river side and take their shape, and they'll go and bring more people near the river. They'll kill them, take the shape, like that. The story goes on. But that particular character of Bach was very interesting for me. So I took that particular idea of Bach. What will happen? The Bach come alive and come to our south. What will happen? That's the basic line of the story. When I got this idea, I was so interested. Immediately I thought of doing that another franchise for Armney, and now I'm standing in front of you because of that one idea. And it got connected to all over the south. So that's the way Armney 4 started. There's a lot to talk to me. Sorry, lot to talk for me, but waiting for your questions. And thanks, Tamara and Rashi, for the nice words.
So I'd like to intervene here. We have two very, very important questions. In fact, you're playing the main lead. We'd like to know on that.
No, the reason is simple. Aramnai 4 have a very strong female character. Now, all the Aramnai 4 movies were very female-centric and very powerful female characters. And finding, I find very hard to get a commercial hero for the movie. When the heroine character is so strong, the heroes always have a little hesitant to do what